Early settlement panel is an event that takes place through the courts somewhat earlier on in one of the earlier stages of your divorce. It's an opportunity for you to mediate the case, to participate in mediation. And the way it works is simply this. There's a court appearance that's scheduled, and attorneys from the private bar, from the private sector, all of the attorneys who are acting as mediators are volunteering their time. So they take time off from their day to appear in court for the sole purpose of trying to help you and help facilitate a resolution in your divorce, to see if they can bring you any closer to resolution. And the attorneys, they're objective. They have no horse in the race, so to speak. They obviously do not represent either side. And what they do is we would be submitting a proposed resolution for our attorneys, and the attorney who represents your spouse will prepare a proposed resolution of how they would like to see the divorce resolved. Each side then, in advance of the court appearance, submits those proposed resolutions to the panelists, the two attorneys who are going to be volunteering. They read both of those submissions. They give thought to all the facts and circumstances in your divorce, and they're going to call everybody in and ultimately make a recommendation. And the attorneys who are volunteering as the panelists are going to give you a recommendation on how they think, or what they think is sensible and fair and reasonable to both sides as far as a resolution of all the financial issues. It's important to keep in mind that at the time of early settlement panel, often referred to as ESP, the purpose of that is to tackle and address financial issues. It's not to address parenting time or custody.